Well, hello everyone. I'm Jay. Welcome to another episode where I have the opportunity to help you and to teach you ways that you can speak better English. Today we're going to look at the phrase take a pit stop. Take a pit stop. Now, the term take a pit stop is an expression that you would use to communicate to someone that you need to take a break. I need to take a pit stop, like getting out to go to the restroom if you were traveling for a while, or I need to get out and stretch my legs. I need to take a break from whatever it is that I am doing. I need to take a pit stop. Let's look at some examples so you can better use this phrase. The first one, you may say, "Can we stop at that store? I need to take a pit stop." If you've been riding in a car with someone for a period of time, you may need to get out and use the restroom. So you would say, "Can we stop at that store? I need a pit stop." Another example, before we go to grandmother's house, can we make a pit stop? Before we go to grandmother's house, can we make a pit stop? So again, it's an expression that you are communicating to someone that you need to take a break. All right. One last example. We have been traveling for 2 hours. I need a pit stop. So if you're like me, when you travel, when you get on the road and you're driving somewhere, you like to get to where you're going. You don't want to stop. But you have other people in the vehicle that need a break. So you may have to pull over and give them a pit stop. I need to take a pit stop. Well, I hope you have learned something on today that will help you be more fluent in speaking English. I want to invite you to give me a like if you have learned something. Leave a comment down in the comment section. How would you use the term take a pit stop? Leave your comment down in the comment section. And if you're not a subscriber, take a second to subscribe. And when you do these things, it lets me know that you enjoy the content and you would like me to continue to upload words and vocabulary and phrases that will help you to speak better English. Well, I hope you join me on my next video. I thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and may God bless you.